today I'm doing this challenge. It's 24 hours only eating yellow food, but we can't have it all on camera, so I'm just gonna eat dinner. And I'm showing you some of the stuff we have. We have corn pops. We have popcorn. We have fries. We have bananas. We have these like tomatoes, but there's some yellow ones in there. We pick out the yellow one. Got Oreos for dessert. We have mac and cheese, what I'm gonna eat. We got pineapple, yum. We got blue Doritos. I know they're kind of like orangey.
They're not blue, they're yellow.
But they're pretty yellow.
They're yellow.
There's this giant bag of Lay's.
Yes. What?
Did you get me? We have mac and cheese, what I'm eating right now. They're Paw Patrol kind. And then we got yellow Gatorade, and I'm gonna be eating.
Lay's potato chips.
And I have lemonade.
Lemonade in yellow cup. How is that lemonade? Any good? Yeah.
Good.
So what exactly do you think you're going to eat for breakfast tomorrow? And I think about, the cereal? Cereal? Okay.
Yeah.
And Oreos for dessert. You guys got plenty of fruit and veggies.
We already had lunch.
Fruit. Yeah. Lunch. We can make you fries. We can do, there's plenty of yellow stuff to choose from. Right? Cool, cool. All right. Can finish eating your mac and cheese, all right, buddy?
Okay.
Adios, amigo.
Peace out.